Today's focus will be on some linkers like and, but, so, and because. First of all, yesterday I was tired and sick. Tired and sick, both negative adjectives. So together, to combine it, we use and to add two similar ideas. Now let's look at this one. Yesterday I was tired, but I went to work. Tired, negative. Went to work, positive, right? So here I show contrast. I was tired, so normally if you're very tired, you don't want to go to work. But I went to work, so contrast, negative and positive. Now, I was tired, so I went to bed. Here we are, so I went to bed. You introduce the result. I was tired, so I went to bed. Notice the comma here, so I went to bed. Now, opposite. I went to bed because I was tired. This time you introduce the reason. Why did you go to bed? Because I was tired. Thank you.